Once again, Super Veg Tech is here to give you 247 lights, 24 hours, 7 days, all-round power supply. Say you just need a simple setup for your laptops, a small fan, your router, and to charge your phones and power banks. Just an affordable amount of money, you can have 247 lights. Now look at this setup now. We have a 1 kVA, a 1 kVA inverter, 100 amps hour battery, your charge controller. So let's now see up solar. You can see that it's powered now. Very simple setup, very affordable. Super Veg Tech is the best. Thank you so much.